who do we have here?
Dawn.
And what are we doing today, ladies?
Jumping out of an airplane.
With total strangers. You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
I think so.
You're crazy. Do you trust Travis to throw you out of an airplane even though you just met him?
I hope so.
You guys are both nuts. Whose idea was this?
My husband's.
Their fault if this goes wrong?
It's the boys' fault.
So, yeah, always blame the men when you can, right? That's what my wife says too. Last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this.
No, I love you.
It's always the same for me. Computer, tablet, phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive. Have some fun. Here we go. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's get in this thing. Let's get up. Let's get out. Go have some fun in free fall. High five. High five. Woo! Here we go. Gorgeous. All right, we're on the runway. Here we go, ladies. You ready? Woo-hoo! Yeah! Might have to get out and push. Pretty awesome, right?
It's amazing.
Pull the right one down. We're gonna spin. Look at the camera. Smile. Yeah! Woo, hands up. Back. There's Pikes Peak out there. There's Brush Hollow Reservoir. Pueblo Reservoir. Pretty good. You want to turn again? Pull the left one down. I'll help you. Yeah. All the way around. Yeah. Nice. Well, one more. Either direction. Pull it down. I'll help you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very nice. Get off. Fast landing. High five. Good job. What do you think of that?
It was amazing.
Thanks for being my number 9,700.
Woo!
High five. Woo! Yeah. What do you think of that?
Incredible.
You're going to do it again someday.
Yeah.
Come back out, learn how to get your license. We'll teach you how to skydive. Or you can ask me to pull the ball and you can open the parachute next time.
Okay.
Skydive Colorado Springs. What was your favorite part?
Jumping.
That flip out of the plane.
Yeah.
Woo! You did great. Come back, see me again.
Will do.